By the way, nowadays you make .md file first and then tell cursor to apply it. How does it help? It helps in a lot of ways. First of all, it gives you or me a brief overview of if AI is understanding the problem correctly, because I have been in situations where what I wrote as a prompt, but AI did not understand it correctly and it wrote the whole code, changed everything, and in the end I found out, okay, maybe it didn't understand the problem correctly because it did not told me when it started changing. So one of the major thing which happens when you ask it to make an MD file is it gives it more, thinking of what it needs to do. It goes through the code base, and now this is a memory text which you have. Later on, sometimes I do this when it's a very complex thing. I'll say, can you review the implementation based on our code and again recheck if we have written it right? Then it re-optimizes that. So you're going through these 2-3 cycles of re-optimization of what AI was gonna do in one shot, and then you ask, okay, and you read it as a human, you read it through, okay, this file, this needs to be done, this, and whenever you are like, okay, yeah, this seems right to you, then you approve, okay, let's go and implement it. So this gives you put you in a loop, what AI is gonna do, instead of it just changing everything and maybe adding few more bugs, which happened to me in past. That's the only reason I started doing this MD thing.